Hey everybody, welcome back to Mixing with the Geek. I am joined by my new friends Kelly and Tom, authors of the book, The Home Bar Guide to Tropical Cocktails, and they're here to make a couple of drinks. This is fantastic. Thank you for being here.
Good to be here. Happy to be here.
First off, the book's fantastic.
Oh, thank you.
Read it cover to cover. Been having fun making these cocktails, but this is a real treat for me because when you have someone who created the drink make it for you, you can't beat that. You can't beat that.
It always tastes better when somebody else makes it.
Well, there's that too. So, what are we doing first?
Well, we're going to do a very popular drink called the Shaka Hula Bossa Nova. Served thousands of these at the Tonga Hut out in North Hollywood. So, hi guys.
Well, even before the Tonga Hut, we invented this at a traveling rumpus room. We had a get-together of tiki friends at the rumpus room at our friend Kirby's in La Crescenta, and one week he couldn't hold it, so we said, we got to do a traveling rumpus room. So we went to another location to our friend Ernie's house, and we had a little bit of time on our hands, so we worked on this cocktail. And it took us a long time, but we finally keyed in on it and got it perfected just the way we want it. And the Shaka Hula name was from the Tiki Orchestra, who gave us the rights to use it, yes.
And we're going to start with an ounce of Jamaican dark, and then Barbados rum. We're using Mount Gay, that's another ounce. 1 ounce of Demerara 151, half an ounce of brandy, an ounce of passion fruit syrup, 1 ounce of ancho pepper syrup, 1 ounce each of lemon and lime juice, a couple of dashes of Angostura bitters, and a touch of soda. Maybe, Tom, you can add some ice to that.
For sure. All right. And all iced up.
Yeah, let's go for it.
It's fantastic.
Oh, perfect.
Ta-da! All right.
Perfect. Slap it. Add a little bit of water. A straw.
Oh, it looks delicious.
Oh, yeah.
Fantastic.
Well, let our guests have the first sip.
Yes. Please do.
amazing.
Shaka Hula Bossa Nova.
Is there something you say right before you take a sip?
Shaka Hula Bossa Nova.
Shaka Hula.
I was thinking
Cheers.
that. Yeah, that mint makes a huge impact. You get your nose in there, and that ancho chili pepper really gives it that kind of nice, warm mouthfeel all around.
Yeah.
So,
Nice and smoky.
Ties it
Just
together.
a really beautiful blend.
yeah, you don't even taste the booze. It's amazing.
It doesn't taste like the proofage, it's just kind of mellowed
Exactly.
out. It has
That-
nice
yeah,
smoothness.
there you go.
This is one that everybody begged for the recipe for years, and now they have it.
Years, you know, it wasn't easy to give up.
Well, thank you so much
thank
for
you.
bringing this by.
Thank you.
and
We
I
enjoyed
love
it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. All
Thanks very
right.
much. Cheers.
Well, everybody, please enjoy responsibly. I'm your Vinyl Geek, and I'll catch you on the flip side.